viewers, thank you for coming to my channel. Let's start with loosening our shoulders. Just like our bodies, when we exercise our face muscles every day, you'll see a noticeable improvement. Using the soft side of the index fingers and glide outward toward the temple to prevent eye bags. Say "oh" and stay like this for a few seconds. This stimulates under eyes, cheek muscles, and prepares for the next few movements. This will tone up multiple facial muscles and improve skin elasticity. Fill your cheeks with oxygen and then breathe through the nose. Pull your hands away from the center of your forehead and squint. This strengthens the muscle right below the eyes, preventing those stubborn eye bags as we get older. Tighten your entire face like this and feel the blood cells stimulating on your face. As you try to glance up, pull your brows down. Continue to make your forehead muscle stronger. Let's make your forehead muscle to go back to how it was when we were younger by doing this. Doing acupressure has tons of benefits. It helps with dark circles, swelling, and twitching. Stimulate beneath your skin by doing this and rebuild collagen. Let's strengthen our face muscles. Massage your hairline and temples in circular motion. Continue to lift your face and rebuild collagen. By raising your cheekbone in this way on a daily basis, you can stop eye bags from forming and the sagging of this bone, which will cause you to look older. Say "oh" and lift up the cheekbones. In order to keep the muscle beneath the eyes from sagging, raise and stimulate the cheekbones at the same time. Massage the lids and under eye area to smooth out the skin. Pinching under eyes carefully and gently to rebuild collagen. Do the lymphatic massage to clear out the fluid from this area after the massage. Rub our hands together and calm our faces. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!